Okay, Brian, we'll check back in a minute. In the meantime, our team coverage of this winter weather continues. 2 News reporter Kristen Escow is in Darke County monitoring conditions there. They always tend to be worse in Darke County for some reason. Kristen, what are you seeing there tonight?
Yeah, Mark, we're along Route 49 north of Phillipsburg here in Darke County. You can see the snow here is falling. The freezing rain has turned to snow. And luckily, taking a look at the roads, even though accumulation is happening right now, not too many people, luckily, out on the roads right now. And those who we have seen out on the roads driving are taking it slow this evening as we're starting to see some accumulation and the roads becoming more slick. Now, as of 2:30 this afternoon, the Darke County Sheriff placed the county under a Level 1 snow advisory. That means all roadways are considered dangerous and drivers should be careful if they have to be out on the roads. So far, State Police for District 5, which covers 5 counties in the northern Miami Valley, say they've responded to at least 1 crash so far today. State Police have responded to more crashes in Greene and Montgomery counties. Police say it's important in these conditions definitely to take it slow and not drive distracted.
What we want you to do is when you're behind that wheel, that should be your focus. Focus on driving. Put that cell phone down. Get the radio adjusted, no distractions. Make driving your first priority.
And we'll continue to keep you updated on road conditions here in the northern Miami Valley. Coming up at 5, we'll have more advice from State Police about how to avoid getting into a crash if you do have to be out on those slick roads tonight. For now, we're live in Darke County. Kristen Escow, 2 News, working for you.